Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day I share a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is from HelloFresh, and it's a pasta Primavera. So if you've never ordered from HelloFresh, you get a box with 3 meals. Each meal, all the ingredients are in a bag like this, and it's labeled, so it's super easy. Everything's just thrown in there. And you may notice some doubles of some of the items I got, because instead of doing a 2-person meal, I upgraded to the 4-person meal, so I got double the ingredients. Everything's labeled, super easy to follow. You always start by washing all the produce and chopping, dicing, zesting, all that fun stuff. So that's what I did as soon as I got everything out of the bag. And first I'm going to roast the veggies because that's going to take the longest. So I chopped up the bell peppers and the zucchini. I drizzled it with some olive oil. And then added salt and pepper. Kind of stirred that around, and I put it in the oven for 18 minutes. And I will have the full recipe and directions below in the description box. So what I like about HelloFresh, you can make these recipes at home. You don't have to subscribe to the service because the recipes are online. So I started my pasta water, and then I heated up some olive oil and added the scallion whites to it. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. I'm just going to cook that for about a minute. And then I'm going to whisk in the cheese roux and a cup of the reserved pasta water. And then I'm going to cook that, stirring it constantly until it's slightly thickened, which takes about 3 minutes or so. Then I turn the heat down a little bit and added in the cream cheese. And mix that really well until it was all dissolved within that mixture. I added in the peas, which I hate peas, but I was willing to try this, and I actually really like this recipe. Added in some lemon zest and some Parmesan cheese. Mix that up till it was melted. Added in that pasta. Then I added in some butter and lemon juice. And continued to mix that until the butter melted. And then by that time, all the veggies were done. So you can start adding those in there. So I added about a third, and then I stopped to kind of stir it around. It was really thick, so I kind of did it in layers. And then I was able to plate it, put some Parmesan cheese on top, and scallions. I love green onions, so I added a whole bunch, and that's all there is. Super easy and very delicious, and if you guys are interested in trying HelloFresh, I do have a promo code below that will save you some money. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.